Utilizing magnetic stabilization, the muscle is secured while high-speed laminar airflow removes debris.
Analysis complete. Quality grade A. Marbling score high. Designating center cut BT99.
Robotic probes swiftly confirm optimal pH levels and a core temperature of exactly 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Specialized ultrasonic sensors glide smoothly along the length of the whole beef tenderloin muscle, meticulously measuring the thickness.
Based on the accumulated inspection data, the instruction is clear. Route A priority. Center cut 100%. With microscopic precision, the silver skin is delicately peeled away, ensuring zero waste of the premium BT99 center cut.
A fine mist of cold air surrounds the product, preventing ice crystal formation while maintaining the crucial 34 degrees Fahrenheit core temperature. Before the final cutting, sophisticated laser calipers measure the exact diameter and length, verifying conformity to the model BT9. A thermal sensor confirms the diced material is maintained below 30 degrees Fahrenheit, which is essential to prevent smearing during the grinding process.
The BT99 undergoes final fat removal by a laser-guided micro-trimming robot. Fine slivers of
The throughput rate on the BT99 has stabilized at optimal levels.
The consistency readings are perfect. We can proceed with the transfer.
Seamless logistics ensure the high-value BT99 reaches the deep freeze efficiently. This signifies the complete finalization of Process A, which must be fully concluded before Process B.
The intense jets of steam ensure zero cross-contamination. Now, the remaining material is transformed into
The perfectly blended ground beef mixture is pumped towards the massive patty forming machine. This high volume production line
The massive refrigerated truck pulls away, carrying the high-quality ground beef patties toward regional distribution center.
Check the temperature on the GB101, making sure it held below 0.
Looks good. Seal's intact.
In a clean, domestic kitchen setting, a young adult Caucasian female customer opens the box of high-quality ground beef patties.
The high-quality ground beef patty, model GB101, is the centerpiece of any meal.
To family, friends, and the best burgers around.
Cheers! These GB101s are amazing.
A cross-section of the finished burger shows the perfectly cooked, consistent interior of the high-quality ground beef patty, model GB.
The advanced robotic pipeline, producing our high-quality ground beef patties,